Welcome to one more video. Dobrodošli u još jedan video. Now we are in Sarajevo, Briješće. We have house for sale on 4,000 square meter. House is with 2 apartments, what you will see in this video. Kuća se nalazi u Briješće brdu na 4 duluma zemlje sa prelijepim pogledom, kao što možete vidjeti na cijelo Sarajevo. Ovo je kuća, da pogledamo izvana. This is the house. This is one entrance, another entrance is down. You will see it all in this video. This is the view on another side, so you have view on both sides. Ovo je pogled sa druge strane. This is land which is included with this house, 4,000 square meter land. It's going almost up to that house. You see these back trees, there is border. And let's see the first apartment, what is here. Look, this is the view from this house. Really amazing view. On one side, you saw already on another side. Vidjeli ste pogled na jednu i na drugu stranu. Ulazimo sad da vidimo prvi stan unutra. This is first apartment on second floor. Like you can see here, we have one bathroom. This bathroom is here. Second, we have one really big room here, like you can see. This is big room. Let's get inside. Here is like small dining room with the kitchen. Over this is the view from here, like you can see, really amazing. Let's go for more. Here is something like living room. Let's move. This is one more room, and here we have some small separate space with one more toilet. So we have 2 toilets in this small apartment here. This is floor, this floor. Let's see from here. This is the view on another side, like I said. Now we will see and move to the ground floor. There is one more apartment, but let's see from here, from the balcony. This is from the balcony view. Look, it's really amazing. Znači ovo je prelijep pogled sa balkona. Evo, pogledajte na drugu stranu. Idemo da vidimo sad donji sprat, to jest drugi stan. Idemo da vidimo i drugi stan koji se nalazi u prizemlju. Znači drugi stan je ulaz sa druge strane, stvar sa donje strane. Evo ga, ponovo taj pogled. It's a view. Now this is entrance to another apartment, second one. Like you can see, here is bathroom. This is bathroom here, and we have here small kitchen with dining room, something like that, or even living room. And here is one more room, like bedroom or something like that. So there is a lot of combination what you can make with this. Thank you very much for watching. For more information, you have my number below the video. You can ask any question you want. Hvala na gledanju. Ispod je moj broj telefona ukoliko imate neki dodatnih pitanja.